Okay.
Pairwise comparison method of voting. Introduction. The pairwise comprehension method is a voting system used to determine the most preferred option among a set of alternatives by comparing each option against every other option in head-to-head matchup. So instead of simply ranking of voting for one candidate or option, voters provide a complete ranking of all the choices. The method then analyzes ranking by evaluating how each options fare when directly compared to every other option. So, in each pairwise matchup, the option that is ranked higher by more voters is awarded a point if both options are ranked equally by the same number of voters. The matchup ends in a tie and both receive back points after all possible pairwise comparisons are complete the score and are tied, and the option with the highest total score is declared the winner. This method is based on principles which aim to identify the option that would win in all head-to-head comparison, known as the concurrent winner if such an option exists. The pairwise comparison method will always select. The system is appreciated for its fairness and attention to voters' preference, but can become complex when there is no clear winner due to circular preferences. A beats B, B beats C, and C beats A. Nonetheless, it offers a true way to evaluate preference beyond simple majority voting. So, formula of pairwise comparison method of voting. So, number one, so list of possible pairs of candidates or choice. So, sa 2, 4, n candidates, there are, so number of comparison is n times n minus 1 over 2 divided by 2. Compare each pair by counting how many voters prepare one over the other. So scoring the comparison. So the winner of the pair gets 1 point. So if it's a tie, each gets 0.5 points. The loser gets 0 points. So add up the points of each candidate across all pairwise matchup. So the candidates with the highest total scores win. So 2, so plus 2, so the second is B, it's just B, so plus 2, so B, and A plus 1, so equals into 3. So A is now one of the favorite, so 1 siya. So B and C. So A versus naman sa A versus C. So A and C equals 2. So A equals 2. Tapos C is 2 plus dito. So C. So plus dito 1. So equals to 3. So therefore, siya. So ano naman dito? 1. So sa C. So B versus C naman. B and C. So dito sa A, mas nauna yung B. So plus 2. So dito B naman plus 2. Dito 1.
So, dito, 1. So, tabla lang sila. So, ano lang. So, walang nanalo sa kanila. So, therefore, air lot. So, next slide.
So, example 2.
Example 2 na naman. So,
A class is voting for their class president. The candidates are Liam, Noah, and Olivia, student from the candidates.
yeah, so,
Balik na tayo dun. So, and
just L versus O and N versus F. O. So, 9 tong L at ano nga, N. So, L N plus so L ay so N na muna dito. So, plus 20 yung ano, N 20. Tapos, dito sa ano, ang una is na 12. Plus, so dito ang N. So, plus 8 siya. So, is equals to 28. So, therefore, 1 na yung, 1 na yung, 1 na yung N. So, 1. So, second number, second is O. Also, sa L, dito ay O pala dito na ano muna. So, plus 20 yung O. 20 sa N, dito O pa rin. So, plus 12. Dito, O pa rin. Plus 8. So, therefore, ano siya, 40. So, 1 na yung O. Sa last, ano siya, sa last is N versus O na naman. So, N, ay, so wala. O pa rin naman muna. So, plus 20 siya. 20 siya. So, dito, O pa rin. O pa rin dito. So, plus 12. So, is equals to N, 88 dito. So, equals to 32. So, dito, dalawa na ano yan. So, ang O ka lang. So, ang O na yung ano, napiling president nila. So, next slide. Last slide ko lang.
that's a George. So, example 3. A class is choosing between 3 field trip destinations. So, isa, museum, tapos zoo, and park. The rankings from the student are dito. So, balik tayo sa ano. And
So, M versus C plus M versus P plus C versus P. So, nakain natin itong ano, M at saka C, museum at U. So, M so, dito, namuna yung M. So, last ano siya, sa 15 ang nakaboto. Tapos sa C, dito. So, si C ang una dito. Isa pa kayo. So, C plus 8. So, dito, M, una isa pa C. So, plus 7. 7, so, equals to 22. So, M, B, at saka si C is, so, una si ano, M, so, plus 1 siya. So, next is M, at saka si P. So, equals 1. So, dito, si M pa rin yung una, so, plus 15 siya. So, sa pangalawa, sa P. So, P. So, 8 plus 8. At saka dito, P pa rin. So 15 plus 7. So, equals 15 na rin. So, dito tayo sila. So, 1, 1. So, same. So, 1. Just si P is 1. So, next. Sa Z na, tsaka sa ano naman, E. C at E. So, sa P, plus sa Z, dito ano muna sa Z. So, plus ano siya, 15. So, sa P, sa ano naman dito, sa P ang nauna, 8. Sa dito, B. So, tayo pa rin. So, tayo pa rin sila. So, dito, 1 si Z. So, sa museum at sa park sila na decision. So, dito, naus na. So, next. So, thank you.